Hi there. I am so happy to have you in my class this semester. I want to thank you for signing up, and I also want to give you a brief um, overview of how you get into the course and where your resources are. So from your My EPCC page, you're going to click into Blackboard. And then once you're in Blackboard, go to Courses. And then if you get a blank screen like this, don't panic. Come up here to where it says Current Courses, drop down and look for Spring 2022. And I'm just going to pick the first course as an example. Okay, and so once you're in this class, you're going to see, oops, okay. So here we are. I'm going to put us into student view so we can see, this is student view. Okay, what it is that you will be looking at. So once you're here in your Blackboard course shell, you'll have syllabus and course requirements. So obviously you're expected to read through this and understand this and ask me any questions. The syllabus is right here. So click on that and download it, and please read it. There are a few key points that are important in there. We have technical requirements and COVID protocols. So this basically kind of setting the groundwork for you. I also have some links to some helpful resources right in here. The tutoring center, we have the macro playlist, which has the list of lectures, and there's also a micro playlist if you're in the micro class with a list of lectures. Grammarly, if you need that for your writing. And then we have some math tutorials here. Okay. I want you to enter your Connect course through View Course and Instruction Tools, where it says Books and Tools, and then you're going to go to Connect. And you will click right here. Now, this is not going to take me into a Connect course because I haven't registered and I'm not a student. But your class is going to look something like this. For the macro classes, I have organized them by your assignments by week. Okay. The micro classes, your assignments are listed and they're in by the due dates. On the left-hand side of the screen, you will find options for your textbook. You can rent your actual physical book, you can purchase a loose leaf option, or you can have this ebook here. So let me spend a few minutes talking to you about your textbook. So this is what your book looks like. It's economics, it's an ebook. Okay, so a lot of people say, oh, I don't have a book. You do have a book, it's online. An ebook is available in Connect. Along with the ebook, you will also be assigned Smart Book adaptive learning modules in Connect. You can also purchase a loose leaf edition at an additional cost, and there's a mobile app available to you in the in Connect as well. So you do have a book and you are expected to read it. So all the resources are available in Connect, which is why you are required to purchase your access code. So all the readings and textbook assignments you will find in Connect. Students are going to be provided the following resources in Connect. You'll have your ebook, adaptive learning, your homework, and a mobile app to read your textbook if you need to read it, at work, or well, not at work, but while you're waiting, it's a good thing to have. Now you have a smart book. In the smart book, you'll have highlighted important areas, in-text glossaries, links to tables, terms and concepts, hints to answer end of chapter questions, and practice questions that are adaptive. Okay, so this is your macro content, and this is the micro content. Another thing that's super important is that you have some math and reading skills. Reading is essential in this class, so I encourage you to use the glossary or the dictionary if there's something you don't understand. Use Google Translate. I always find that very helpful. Math is also essential to the class. You need to know, obviously, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and a little division. Percentages are big. We do very little bit with a linear equation, but it's still a good thing to know. Fractions, graphing and charts is a big deal. Okay, so that you'll have to know. And if you have trouble with that, you need to let me know and go to tutoring. We're working very connectedly with the tutoring department to help out. So please, it's always a little bit scary because it all looks very mathy, but you can do it, you know, absolutely. It's doable. You just need to reach out and let us know that you need some assistance. There's some links outside of the course that are good. MRU University is very good. And these are videos from other economists explaining basic concepts, and Econ Lowdown. So those are very good resources for you. Okay, let me go back to the course. Okay, over here in the course again, draw your attention briefly to the following information. On the left-hand side, you have a menu. If you drop this down, let's see, what do we have here? Messages, notifications, your account, and tutorials. So these are different things that you might need information on. Okay. And then going back to the menu again, calendar, this is where you see what items are due and when they're due. So you need to make sure you're familiar with the calendar feature. And I think those are other items. So let's go back to assignments. Your orientation videos are assigned. I think I might have to take narrated lectures out of there because it is kind of confusing. So I'll take that out and put it somewhere else. Introduction to Economics. Okay, so there's your drop down. Here's your smart book, and here's one of my lectures. You are assigned these items. And then again here, there's a smart book reading, and there's a lecture, and then we have homework. So basically, this is how it is broken out. Okay. And then we have exams down here. Okay, and so you should find everything under each of these little drop-down menus. So that's really all I have for you right now. This should help. Again, I encourage you to reach out if you have questions. So watch this, after you've watched this video, pull down your syllabus and get started reading through the syllabus and the orientation videos. Okay, so we will see you later, and I'm looking forward to a great semester.